once again, the ripple effects, as I mentioned before, is the legacy piece of it, right?
Yeah.
Because, maybe part of your vision is to leave assets not only to your kids, but grandkids.
Yeah.
And I know legacy goes, much further and deeper than just money, but those are things that can all be wiped out by, a lack of careful planning.
That's right. And I know some grandparents have a strong desire to either leave grandkids a chunk of money or contribute to college, right? If you have a care situation and you don't have a plan, you don't have a way to fund that in an efficient way, right? With leverage, like a policy, what happens is that money that you were going to designate to college, do you have to use that now to pay for your care? So then that is taken away from the legacy and for what you really wanted, your big desire for your grandkids, right? And charities too, right? I work with a lot of families that are very generous. And so they have goals to leave money to charities. Certainly it's a concern if I need care, what is that going to do to even my ability to give?
If you asked every family that you met with, to kind of create a vision board of all of those great things that you imagine in their life, and that could be giving to charity, paying for your children's college education, seeing your family take a big trip, whatever the case is, whatever's on your vision board, the one thing that can take that all away is the substantial long-term care event. Like you just wipe the vision board clean, the slate all goes away. And for generally what I see is probably less than 1% of someone's liquid net worth annually. You can take that tail risk completely off the plate and leave that vision board intact. So
that's right.
It's not overly complicated, but you have to be intentional and you have to take the time. You have to work with an expert like you. You don't want your cousin Joe who just got into the industry to wing it. Work with the best of the best. And the great thing about you, Kelly, is you are not confined to working with people from the state of Ohio. You can work with anybody that you want to throughout the United States.